back here at the cottage this week, and I'm working on the bond beam, just getting it cleaned up. We need to get it leveled out, and we're going to pour concrete in here. So if you don't know, the purpose of the bond beam is to give a nice flat level surface to attach your roofing to, and it also holds your structure together, especially good for earthquake prone regions. And you'll see bond beams on the top of walls a lot of the time. For rammed earth, it's a lot more common. So for a Cobb house, it's a little bit unique. So a bit of a unique situation here, but we'll be pouring the bond beam this week, and I'll be making more videos on it and posting here on YouTube for free. I've also got a free online video course now on my website as an introduction to Cobb video course. So if you go to my website, I'll put a link in the description below. You can go there and check out the whole course index. Again, it's like an introductory course. It gives you a lot of good starter information if you're just getting started to Cobb building, earthen building, things like that. So I do recommend go check it out. It's all free, freely available. And again, we'll be making more videos on the bond beam, and then after that we'll be attaching the roof to this building, and I'll be showing you how to attach a roof to a Cobb building, and in this case using a bond beam. So all that's there for you. More information to come. Talk to you guys soon.